Happy Thursday. Welcome back to your daily dose of news. I'm your host Nick, and we've got a jam-packed episode for you today, so let's dive right in. Today, we're covering some market news, takeaways from the Fed's latest Beige Book, Chargepoint stocks, and more. Now, let's take a quick look at the market snapshot. Yesterday was a tough day for investors. The markets painted a sea of red, and it felt like a rollercoaster ride as all major indices closed lower. Technology stocks took a hit, and it wasn't a fun ride for them. Today, stock futures are pointing downward, and there's a fresh dose of worry in the air. Investors are on edge due to concerns about the Federal Reserve's interest rate policy and the potential for rate hikes later this year. So, what's on our radar? Well, it's a bustling day on Wall Street, filled with data and Fed speak. We're hoping for some positive surprises, but let's keep an eye out and hope that the futures don't keep sliding. Continuing with our top story today, let's dive into the Federal Reserve Beige Book. The most recent Federal Reserve Beige Book revealed a moderate pace of growth during July and August, but also signs of a slowdown in discretionary consumer spending that warrants investor attention. Published 8 times a year, the book serves as a key report in which each Federal Reserve District compiles first-hand information. The report spotlights a concerning trend in some districts. Consumers appear to have dipped into their post-pandemic savings, increasingly resorting to borrowing to sustain their spending patterns. This shift in behavior could have significant implications for the broader economy. And finally, it's time for our top interesting news segment, where we serve up bite-sized stories that'll leave you craving more. GameStop's stock took off yesterday after the company's impressive earnings report, but it didn't last long. Investors are sick of watching Chargepoint shares on life support and are calling it quits. Snap shares pulled back yesterday after a strong start to September. And tennis fans were frantic they'd been unable to watch the US Open amid a dispute between Disney and Charter. But Disney is making sure people will be able to tune in. And that's a wrap for today. Stay tuned for more updates and insights. Have a wonderful Thursday, everyone.